Absolutely. So the CanCooker is a convection steam cooking unit that can be used on your kitchen stove, a grill, the coals of a campfire, or over a portable burner like we have here. The core concept to all of our products is that we just want to make your life a little bit easier and more convenient. So the CanCookers have over 300 recipes that can be made in under an hour. Anything from fajitas, chicken and dumplings, buffalo chicken dip, you name it, you can cook it. We have our 1.5 gallon size over here, which will prepare meals for up to 6 people. Our 2-gallon sizes here that will prepare meals for 8 to 10 people, whether outdoors or for use inside the kitchen with our signature series. And you can certainly use these inside the kitchen as well. And then we also have our 4-gallon size that will prepare meals for up to 18 to 20 people, or do things like king crab legs and low country boils that require more space. As I said, you can use them on our portable burners like we have here, or the various other heat sources. Of the 300 recipes we have, almost all of them can be made in under an hour, so it's a quick, convenient way to cook. And the great thing is, once you start it, the cook doesn't have to do anything else. They can go back to enjoying the time with their friends and family. We have a lot of complementary products to go along with them, including our folding cutting boards and our seasoning mixes. And then the last thing I'd like to show you over here is our gravity grill system. It's a 2-stage system that can be used, you just put the steak into the ground and can be used over any fire. And you can also use our CanCookers on top of it. So again, our core concept is just create outdoor and indoor cooking solutions that make your life easier and give you time back to spend with your friends and family. So thank you for coming to see us at the hardware store today. You can find our products at cancooker.com. That's CANCOOKER.com, or at a retailer near you. Thank you so much. Have a great show.